see how to make it do this better, easier.
Watch out, you're going to your face.
Right here. This is Rich Carlson, isn't it? This is the height. You're gonna weigh it. Okay. Are you able to measure how much water you put in there? Yeah, well, we could probably figure out the gas for a minute.
We try to just let it drain out first next before we measure it if there's water in there.
Okay. Okay. Yep. Good. How much is it?
50 and a half.
50 and a half. Have you measured them dry and wet yet? Yeah, I do understand. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not going to pull it out dry. Right.
Okay, so you did it both together. That's interesting.
Yeah.
It depends on the hose. What's the OD of that? You know, it looks like about 4-inch ID.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
4-inch ID flexi hose. But what kind of cam is that? What do you call it? That's a Camlock. Yeah.